Everyone, in this video we will be looking at this kind of an animation where you can actually uh, keep the problem first and then opening pages kind of a animation we can actually create using morph transition, which we will be looking into in this video. So let's start. Blank slide. On this blank slide, first to do control and format background. In this format background we will just be taking right now green color, so I am taking a dark green color. You can actually select the color which you want. I like to have this green color, so I will be taking green color. Then go into the insert, then go into the shape, and then go into parallelogram. Select the parallelogram, and now just place this parallelogram here and just place it here. You can actually get these guides through when you go into the view and tick on the guides. You will have this kind of a center lines also, so that you can very easily locate whatever object you want to locate uh, on this site slide. So now what we will do, we'll just copy this, control C, control V, and we'll just paste it here, and control C, control V, and we'll place it here. So I think this side value is getting very high. We can actually reduce that, and again do that, control C, control V. This can be deleted, V, and this done. So this is currently now. Now what we will do, we will change the color of this with a green color, the same green color. Then we'll change the color of this object to this color, and here we have to insert a picture. So we'll go I downloaded the picture from the from Google, and you can also get that pictures. Currently this is the downloaded, so I will be showing this picture here. Now what you have to do, you have to just, I will just copy the problem from here, this problem statement. I will just copy it, and same here. I'll just copy the solutions for the time being. You can actually have your own solutions written or something, and just paste. Now if we see this slide, this will be looking like this, but we want that it should be having a effect there. So first of all, just do this shift somewhat, because our global is missing. Now what you can do, you can actually select the first slide and control and bring it front. It should be on the slide should be front, at the front. Now just do one more thing. Now select all these three together, and in this three together we have to go into the shape format, into align, and what you have to do, align at to center. So see, all the slides I got aligned at the center, but before that we'll just undo this, and we'll copy these slides, control D. So now once that are done, now we have to do, select all these three slides and go into the center, go into the align, and align to center. Now after this, on this two, if we see, it will be looking like this, but we have to change something more. Before going to there, just go into the object and no line outlines. All the objects should have no outlines, so I'm just removing the outlines so that it's not having any issue. Now what we'll do, we'll just check it out once more. Still the, now you can actually do, select these two slides or you can actually this slide only, go into the transition and morph transition. So this to morph, and now go to the first picture, start the problem and solution. This kind of effect. Even you can actually also do one more thing, just copy last slide and send back. If this is sent back, now you will see a different kind of an animation. See, a change in animation part. So you can actually play around with different types of front, backwards and all, and you can actually get a very good animation for the same. Hope you got to know, hope you understand this concept. See you in the next video. Thanks.